What's up, everybody? Bo is here. We got a little bit a break from the rain today, so today I am going to work on my van. I ordered the side ladder, the flatline side ladder, to install on this van. So I'm going to install it today. If you want to see how it gets installed or how to install the flatline VanCo, stick around. Let's go ahead and do it together. Well, since I built this van, I did not decide what kind of ladder I want to use because most of the vans I built are the ones on the back. That's also nice. Since I built that previous one, I put one of these on it, and I like it. So I decided to do different. So let's see what comes in the box. Yeah, the other ones are also strong ladder from the back. So this is advantage and disadvantage of between the side and the rear. So I haven't used one for this on the side yet. Some people they said it might make some noise when you drive, the wind noise. So we're gonna have to find out, right? And for the one for the rear, of course, there won't be any noise. But it can, if you put it on the driver's side, it can obstruct the driver's view. But the same thing on the side. You know, your side mirror, it's gonna be a little bit partial blocked too. So it's either way. It's your preference. Okay, so this one is gonna be the top, and you are going to screw this onto the rail, which is designed. This the standard flatline roof rack has a cutout for the ladder on the other side. So and then screw this to the rail, and I already have the two what's that called, the T-nuts that runs inside the rail, and I just screw this to that. Should be pretty easy. But since everything is already installed on the roof, the solar panel, everything, I'm gonna have to move the van out, and I might have to loosen the screws on the solar panel so I can get to those two screws to take the little cutout piece. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, this is the driver's side of the van. You can see with the standard roof rack, it already has a cutout right there. Let's take a look of the before. This is before we install the ladder, and let's see how it looks after we install the ladder. Okay, so in order to install the ladder, we need the ladder to go up there to install the ladder. Okay. Okay, here is the cutout. So it looks like in order to remove that, we're gonna have to remove this panel, 4 screws. Okay, remove this one panel out so we can have access to under here. The rain's supposed to come down again in a couple hours. So here we go. After I remove the panel, the 2 screws exposed, this one and that one. Okay, now we have a gap right there. Now let's go down and assemble the ladder. Inside this hardware box, I find a bag of all these different screws, the plate. Okay, this is where you drill these hole and attach this to the seam, the flange on the van, and then your ladder is gonna be attaching to here, kind of adjustable. And these are the connector for the ladder with these screw holes. I'm going to show you how they get connected right now. So different screws here. Since I already have everything up there, I don't need most of these. Okay, the two big screws, I already have those. Also the nuts, I don't need that. Okay. What I do need these nylon nut, because that's gonna be for these. And then these stainless steel self-driven screws that will be for these holes attached to the seam of the flange of the van on the bottom. Okay, so this goes either way. Just insert in here until the screw holes align here, and then you just screw that in. You can connect them together. There, you insert until holes align like that. It looks like the rain is coming down again. It's gonna kick me out here. So let's go ahead and hurry up and do this. The rain is coming down again. It's kicking me out here. Okay, so now we just have to go up there and put the two screws and then screw down here, and that'll be it. So go ahead and do that before the rain starts pouring on me. So just a hand tight, still loose. Now I'm gonna go down there and make the adjustment before I drill the screw holes. Well, I don't have to reroute my exhaust. I just bend it toward the other side. So it looks like you try it on to see where you want it, how you want it first, and then put the plate on, and then kind of mark your location, and then go ahead and take this off so you can drill the plate. Install the plate first, because up there it's you can move left and right anyway. So either way, you don't have to let's say you want to install right here, just go ahead and put the plate, because you have room up there to move left and right. So that way you don't have to put it on and remove it back, but it's not a lot of work. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove it. Okay, there. Now that's my final tighten down, and now ready to put back the solar panel. and then the screw on the bottom, and that's it. Okay. Installation is done. The ladder, this van now got a ladder, so it was not difficult to install. I guess the purpose of this video is I just want to show you the close-up of the ladder, you know, more closer detail about the ladder if you plan or if you undecide which ladder to go with. So it's your choice, either the rear ladder or the side ladder. So let me give you a closer look and take the measurement between the space between the van and the ladder here, so you have some idea before you want to buy. Okay, here's a closer look at the ladder. All right, so this is a what size is this? Is a aluminum. It's let's see, it's a inch and a quarter, right? 2-piece. And let's see the gap between the van and the ladder. And here we go. I think this is the biggest gap. Should be right here, so it's about 5 inches. So there you have an idea. Anyway, it's not sticking out farther than our side mirror over there. And here is the after. So let me know what you think about the ladder, huh? It looks really cool. Anyways, thank you for watching. Hope it helps you decide what kind of ladder you like on your van. We have both the rear and the side ladder, so I'm gonna try it on. If it breaks, then you're not gonna like this. So there's no way it's gonna break. Pretty cool. Right. Very stable. I like it. See you next time.